NECO is a Spanish tool manufacturer with an experience of over 75 years in the design, manufacturing and commercialization of precision cutting tools. NECO is part of the Tivoli Industrial Group, which generates an annual turnover of 71 million euros and employs more than 600 people on 3 continents and 8 production sites. The factory in Elorrio is the plant taking part in Symbiosis project. This plant has become the core point of the Tivoli Group for the design and manufacturing of taps, providing solutions to all the requirements of the group on such tools. 50% of the NECO net sales over 10 million euros takes place in foreign markets, with a presence in over 40 countries worldwide. NECO has a broad portfolio of cutting tools, including drills, taps, milling cutters, reamers, rollers and customized special tools, among others. Symbiosis project has supported a digital transformation of the business process and supporting IT platforms in the sales, engineering and production planning departments. Symbiosis is leveraging NECO knowledge at one-stop shop service point, which allows an integrated offer of tap capabilities. On a second level, design process have achieved an unprecedented level of consistency and maturity across the organization. Finally, with an almost instantaneous interaction with a customer through connected warehouse services at the customer premises, NECO has achieved a level of production planning optimization to meet the exact demands of the customers. The Symbiosis project has facilitated the design and development of the Tap Request service platform, an online tool which encapsulates the engineering knowledge of the organization and empowers the sales team in a consistent collection of customer requirements from the sales team and an immediate response to such requirements with the optimum tap capabilities, drilling services to meet the customer challenges. Symbiosis project has represented a significant change in the company business model. We have migrated from a traditional product sales to an integral service towards our customers. The competitive advantage we deliver is our service orientation instead of a product orientation. A product can be procured by any company around the globe. However, a service is much harder to replicate. With the Symbiosis product service platform, we are able to ensure a more agile and consistent service delivery. Beyond the service agility and the technical knowledge we are able to leverage now, we are providing a more professional image in front of our customers, which is highly appreciated. From Tap Request product service platform and a formalized collection process for customer requirements, we can immediately deliver a customized tap design, a delivery rim, and a cost, a complete service offer, both technical and economic. The interoperability that Symbiosis leverage across our factory systems is instrumental to achieve this. Through the Symbiosis platform, the sales team gathers information through standardized procedures, which are simple and agile and are enabled for mobile operation. Data is then uploaded to the company big data cloud, and immediately the technical team receives all the requirements in a format that allows interoperation with the engineering tools. From my point of view, the most significant improvement is the one related to the high quality and comprehensive response that the sales team can deliver immediately to the customer. Before, the process was driven by informal information based on email exchange and manual drawings. That process usually required for additional information queries to the final customer, and this was even more visible for less experienced members of the sales team. There were a lot of unproductive times. Now, with the Tap Request service platform, the sales team collect the precise data from a customer and do so in a platform that allows us to immediately process those through our engineering pipeline. Prior to Symbiosis, the client information was internally processed with our engineering team and we were able to provide a response in 1 or 2 days. Now, with Tap Request, we collaborate with the customer in compiling all the required information on the spot. Instantly, we can provide a solution and a service that match their challenges, and it is there we can decide together if samples need to be manufactured or even if we start the Tap certification process. This is a significant competitive advantage and has resulted in a significant reduction time in the delivery time of our taps. During the Symbiosis project, the NECO engineering department has formalized the company knowledge and established the required parameters and requirements to accept a consistent production offer. Thus, NECO has achieved a consistency and high quality standard in the response to increasingly customized demands for tap capabilities. From an engineering perspective, the most relevant aspect is the uniformity in the design. Before, NECO could respond with variant design decisions to a customer challenge. With the Symbiosis product service platform, we ensure that the response is consistent across our team and of the highest standards in the industry. We have been able to formalize our collective knowledge under a unified and shared framework. From this Symbiosis background, any member of the team, irrespective of their experience, is able to provide the best solution to the customer. The platform supports us in the delivery of the design, selection of materials, costs, and delivery date. The third Symbiosis business digital transformation is related to stock management, particularly at the customer premises. Symbiosis has supported the deployment of the Smart Tap Cabinet Surface platform in Renault with direct connectivity to NECO premises. This allows a more efficient and a much more tailored planning of the production to the actual customer demand. Symbiosis NECO platform is connected permanently to the smart cabinet and receives automatic notifications as soon as the customer takes material out of the different cabinets. The online interface allows a daily checking of all the material available and consumption at the customer premises so that procurement of new tools can be optimized. Symbiosis has transformed the business process for stock management. The former monthly procurement process imposed NECO to provision at least 1 month production at their warehouses 1 month in advance for each of their customers. Through the Smart Cabinet and Symbiosis product service platform, the demand progress is processed on a daily basis and future demand can be better predicted and production adapted accordingly.